you take out of the Commonwealth Scholarship is entirely up to you. The time goes by so fast, and there's so much that you can do.
Keep your heads up, make connections, and explore.
Keep an open mind, be ready to adventure, put your education first because that's what brought you. But most importantly, find a community where you belong.
Take some time out and just, think about the journey you're about to embark on, and prepare yourself for it.
Be open to meeting new people, connecting with people, make new networks, and keep focused on what really brought you here. Remember the things that you really want to do when you're done with the scholarship.
To stand out and to be yourself.
Socialize, network a lot with the other scholars, because Commonwealth gives you that opportunity where they pull in a lot of, scholars from different domains, different research areas. So it would be great to, actually speak to them about your research, because they can give you a lot of advice, and a lot of, brilliant ideas come from other scholars from other domains. So I'd give that as a very big advice.
Learn time management and use the most out of the opportunities that you have.
Just keep your objective very clear. In terms of academics, what your goals, in terms of socializing, whom you want to meet, and just you have to focus. So focus is the key goal.
To try out new things and be focused on their studies, and to try and explore the UK culture and seek where there's relevance.
Commonwealth Scholarship is not about only studying and making your academic things, but it's also about connecting with people, building up new connection with people, and experience the cultural diversity which is available to everyone in UK.
You get to meet new friends, gain experience, and above all, we hope to make change to our home countries.